In this video, we are going to explore Google Workspace Studio, which is essentially a no-code brain that enables you to build automated AI agents to do all the manual labor for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using it to automate some of my own workflows and how you can use it to set up some automations in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started by going to studio.workspace.google.com. Think of Workspace Studio as the connective tissue between Gmail, Drive, Docs, and Sheets. Previously, you needed to be a coder or use complex tools like Zapier. Now, if you can describe a task in plain English, Gemini builds the automation for you. There are 3 ways to build. You can start by clicking into here and describe the task with AI and just tell Gemini what you want. And we've got some example prompts down here as well. We can also start with a pre-existing template, and Google has many templates for us to choose from. Or you can create an automation from scratch by selecting the plus icon on the left-hand side, which gives you the most control. In our first example, let's look at creating an automation by describing our task to Gemini. I get way too many emails, and I'm sure you do too, and most are noise, but some are urgent, like questions from clients. Here's how we can have Workspace Studio help us fix that. So let's select Create, and I'm going to enter my prompt into here, which just says, if an email contains a direct question for me, label it to respond and ping me in Google Chat. Then all we need to do is press Create. And then after a few moments, Gemini will create this workflow for us. Perfect. So now the flow has been generated and we can see the individual steps. So here is the first step, the starter. When I get an email, I can either apply this to specific emails or all emails. If I switch it back to specific emails, and if I press show more, I have even more filters available, such as a particular label or attachment or subject. Let's move on to the next step, which is an action, and this action is a decider. And in here, we can enter a prompt for Gemini and provide variable chips, which pulls out variables from that email message, and we can ask Gemini a question and have it analyze the email content. So in this case, we're asking, does the following email contain a direct question addressed to me? And if it does, we're sending this through to a decision. And if this condition is true, then we're going to move on to the next steps. So here we've selected decision is true. And if it's true, we're going to add a label. And in this case, the label is to respond. And then it's also going to notify me in Google Chat. And then if we're happy with this flow, we can do a test run, or we can turn it on from here as well. So now instead of digging through my inbox, I'll just wait for my chat notification. It's like having a personal assistant reading my email 24/7. Now let's try creating one from scratch. So to do this, I'm going to select the plus icon on the left-hand side. And the first step here is we need to choose a starter. So again, my starter for this is going to be when I get an email. And I want to apply this just to specific emails. In this case, I want to look for emails which has the word invoice. And then under show more, I'm also going to select has attachment, because the goal of this flow is going to be for any invoice we receive that has an attachment, I'm going to have it save it to my Google Drive. This way I don't need to download the attachments and rename them and upload them to my drive. They're all going to appear in my Invoices folder within my drive. Great, so that's configured now. Now let's choose an action and choose a step. So in this case, I'm going to have it add email attachments to Drive. So here I can select my location, and then under Gmail attachments, I can select a variable. So when I get an email, I want to select that attachment, and that's all done. This is a really simple flow, just 2 steps. I can now turn this on, and any new invoices will be automatically saved to my drive. Okay, now let's go back to the Discover tab. And one of the really useful templates I found in here is to get pre-meeting briefs in chat. So let's turn this on now and have a look at the steps it creates. Success. So it's created our new flow. Let's select edit and now review these steps in more detail. So in this case, our starter is based on a meeting coming up in the next 10 minutes. And this is going to trigger before the meeting. Then under actions, step 2 is a decider. So in here we're using a prompt again with Gemini, asking if these meeting notes include pertinent and helpful details that will help me prepare for this meeting. And here we're using a variable chip to link to those meeting notes. And then, if that's true, we're going to have Gemini summarize those notes for us. And because we selected that template, we've got a nice detailed, well thought out prompt here for Gemini to use. And of course, we can make our own adjustments to that as well. And then the last step, step 5, is going to notify me in chat. And again, we're using some of those variables. So we're going to put out the meeting title, a meeting link, so we can find that easily, and our Gemini summary created in the previous step. And all of that information is going to be sent to me in Google Chat. And this is one I use a lot. So now every time I go into a call with a customer, it looks like I know exactly what I'm talking about and what we discussed last time, without having to open a single folder. So it makes you look well organized and like a genius, but really it's just the agent doing the homework for you. And remember, you need to be using a supported Google Workspace Business, Enterprise or Education edition. Well, I hope you found this video useful. Having Workspace Studio is like having your own personal software developer to help you automate your tasks. So if you liked this video, then please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you back at my next video.